Good morning, Palm Pandas. Today I'm going to show you how to thread a needle and tie the sewing knot. Okay, so I'm going to tilt this down so you can see what I'm working on. So there's our fabric. I've got my shape. I've got my two pieces. We're just going to move those aside for right now. And I've got my thread. Okay, you see that red thread? And my needle. All right, so if you look at the needle, you'll see the hole in the top part. That's called the eye, okay? So we're going to take our thread and we're just going to slide it all the way. So there's just a little tiny bit of thread showing. You don't want a big floppy piece like this because that'll be too hard to put in the needle's eye. So we're just going to scoot it back so it's a little tiny bit, and then we're just going to kind of aim it at the eye and push it through. Grab it with your other thumb and finger and pull it. And you want both ends together. Okay, so I've got both ends together there. Now I'm going to go ahead and slide my needle down to the end there. We don't need to worry about that. Okay, both ends together. Now whatever hand you are, like if you write with your right hand like I do, then I'm going to do my knot on my left hand. If you write with your left hand, then you're going to do your knot on your right hand. So whichever hand is comfortable for you is where you do it. So I'm going to use my pointer finger. Okay, I'm going to stick that out, hold it with the thumb, and make an X. You see my X there? Okay, hold that end with your thumb. Your other hand can just go away, okay? And what you're going to do with that thumb is you're going to push. Oh, hold on. There we go. Push both pieces so they roll and get really twisty. See that twisty mess there? Okay. So, sorry, my computer did something weird, so I was just checking to make sure it's still there. So I've got a big twisty mess here. Now your middle finger is going to come along and help pinch. You're just going to get that piece of thread there between your middle finger and your thumb. Notice this loop is not on my finger anymore. It's just kind of loose and hanging out. The hand you write with is the one you're going to grab this end where the needle is. Okay, so there's my needle. So I'm going to grab this end and I'm going to start pulling, and you should feel the knot being made in between your fingers, and you can actually see it happening too. So you're just kind of pinching and pulling, and look at that beautiful knot, okay? So that is how you make a knot. Now, let's do it again. I'm just going to cut that bit off. I'm going to show you again a little faster. So X, hold it down with your thumb, push it and roll it, so you get a big twisty mess. Middle finger comes to help pinch the end there. Other hand pulls, and there's your knot. If you get a little tiny knot at first, it's okay, just do it again, okay? And 2 knots are always better than 1. But when you get a nice big knot like this, then you can stop, okay? So that is how you make a sewing knot. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.